smells great. Thank you.
You like that, buddy? Yeah, it's a pretty cool car, huh?
Yeah, 3 years in the making.
Yeah.
This one, we've been running this one for 10 years.
How fast is it going?
This one did a world record this year at 154, 125.
154 mile an hour in this bad boy, huh?
And then this car,
Spooky.
well, this car at 158.
Wow.
This car we think we're going to be between 200 and 220. We won't find out until next August.
200 and 220.
It's got 1,000 horsepower, so 400. Well,
These guys go run these on the Bonneville salt flats. How you doing? Pretty good.
Good luck with the record next year.
oh yeah, still bump it up.
There you go.
You too.
Now you're in the cockpit. We're doing 210 miles an hour right now. You just can't tell. So, you want to tell me what's going on here? I'm going to ask you first, are you okay with being on my YouTube channel?
I am, Don. I am.
Sweet. So what do you got in these two rigs here?
This one,
Tell me who you are.
I'm Pat Showers. I'm the crew chief for Mixed Nuts Racing.
Sweet.
This car is our new car, 1928 Model A.
Okay.
Got a 468 big block in it, 1,000 horsepower.
Thank you.
This car is our 1930 Model A. We went and set a class world record with it August 6th, 154.125 miles an hour.
154.
And this one has a 301 in it, and we think it's running right around 390 to 410 horse. We're not quite sure out of it. We had a bad dyno pull on it, and it was high 300s. This car actually came out of a burrow pit in Winchester.
Nice.
And my father-in-law and Bill Miller we hand built. The only thing that came out of the burrow pit was the cowl and the rear quarters. We hand built the doors, the hood, trunk lid, frame. This car came from someplace in Oregon. The gentleman that started this car had some issues and passed away, so the family gave us the car. This car's been widened 8 inches and lengthened 18 inches. It's all, the both of them are all steel.
They're all steel. He's talking about this guy.
This car's out of a 48 Chevy Fleetwood. We took 1.5 foot out of it and bent it in so that it fit the cowl. It's double cowl inducted. We have no radiator in this car. This car is set up as a boiler. We have a water tank in the back and we'll put ice water in to keep the engine cool.
Cool.
About it. About 3 years.
So where do you race them at then?
Bonneville Salt Flats, Wendover, Utah.
And that's it? Is that the only place you race?
Only place we go. We would.
Bonneville Salt Flats.
We don't want to go to El Mirage because it's a lake bed. It's dirt.
Oh.
If you spin one of these on the dirt, you'll roll. Yeah.
Right. And so this car here, you think that this one here should do what for?
Between 200 and 220.
200 and 220.
In 3 miles.
In 3 mile sections. Okay. And that's what it is for everybody's 3 miles. So do you get, no.
No. If you're a short course car, which is a 5 mile course, this car's a short course car.
Okay, which means?
You do 3 to 5 miles.
Okay.
Long course cars go 3 to 10 miles.
Oh wow. Okay. And that's what this one here is going to be set up for.
This one will probably be a long course car.
Gotcha.
Because it's that quick.
Right.
It should be that quick. We'll take it down for a shakedown run next year.
So this one just got put together then?
Yes, we've been building it for 3 years.
Okay, 3 years you've been working. I'm repeating because I think the wind and the traffic might not catch everything you're saying.
Probably not.
So.
And then my wife Leanne, she drives this car. Well, she's the driver of this car too. So.
And how many of you are on the crew for these things? Four people?
4 of us.
That's awesome. And so you got Napa, obviously, is one of your big sponsors.
Yep. Schaefer Oil.
And Schaefer Oil. Nice. Okay. Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. We're the only team to take within about 100 miles. There is another team in the Tri-Cities that we run with, but we're the only ones local. And Leanne, my wife, is only one of 11 women that run on the Bonneville Salt.
Oh wow, that's impressive.
Yeah, she's part of what they call Women of the Salt.
So you kind of walk around grunting, don't you? Oh yes, oh that's my woman. Oh yes.
Yeah, I am her biggest fan, and the starters have told me that because they can hear me above the car. So,
cheering your woman on. That's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah,
dang it.
Very, very, very proud of her.
That's cool. That's a good accomplishment. That's big.
Yep.
For sure. Well, man, thanks for sharing with us.
No problem. No.
This is cool.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
That just, guys, remember Mixed Nuts Racing.
Mixed Nuts Racing. We got her. There we go. So I didn't ask you and I forgot. Where can people go to see you race or to see about the cars or the information you have about it?
Facebook page is MNR Mixed Nuts. It's MNR parentheses Mixed Nuts Racing, and that's us on Facebook. Just because there is another Mixed Nuts Racing out there, it's my old account that somebody hijacked.
Oh no.
So I can't get into it, so I started a new one. So we have the Red Bull video that was done on this car.
Hold on. Waiting for the bus. Okay.
I have the Red Bull video on there, was done on this car. I have Leanne's 156 mile an hour run videoed on there.
Cool. And Leanne is your woman, and she's over here talking to people right here.
Yep, she's one of our drivers. Like I said, very, very proud of her. We've got videos and stuff, and I try and update that as much as possible. I have quite a few pictures and videos from this year. We got rained out the last 2 years, so obviously. And then one good thing about being rained out the first year, we were the only race team that made Hot Rod Magazine in the water.
Oh, nice.
Everybody else, all the picture layouts are cars that on nice dry salt.
Right.
Got us coming out of the salt with our 48 Chevy pickup on the trailer, and the water's over the deck of the trailer.
Oh my God. Oh wow.
But that's the only picture that made Hot Rod Magazine.
Oh, well that's pretty cool.
So yeah, it was pretty cool. So the guy that owns the trucks is now he's happy. He can die happy because he made Hot Rod.
He made Hot Rod Magazine. Yeah, so, that's pretty cool. Yeah. All right. Well, cool. We'll put that on there too, so they can make sure and find out where to check out Mixed Nuts Racing.
Yep. And we'll also have our Challenger Club stuff on that as well.
Your Challenger Club. So you might want to tell me what that is. Well, you mentioned it, so we need to know what that is.
I am the captain of the Challenger Demons Idaho chapter. All of the new Dodge Challengers. There is another club in town that's
You only have a small one, though.
Quad Cities Challengers, I believe, or Mopars, something like that. But anyway, we have a Dodge Challenger Club. Anybody's got Dodge Challengers. So that
be a part.
I mix all that stuff in there, and then if anybody, I can't tell you off the top of my head, if anybody wants to know, I can find the web or the Facebook page for that. I can't remember it off the top of my head.
Sure.
That's
Okay. Yeah. If they keep up with mixed nuts, they probably would see something.
Oh yeah.
So,
Oh, yeah.
all right. Cool. Well, thanks for sharing
You're
then.
very welcome, my friend.
All right.
Hey, this purple's nice.
Who's that guy looking at cars?
That's not a purple one.
That's Uncle Johnny, man. You pointing at my
Where's my
ice cream cone bar?
See,
It's right there. Do you hear the music? That's where I was, right there.
I might go get an ice cream bar myself.
Right?
Good looking cars.
A little bit of everything here. From Super Sport Chevelles in the backdrop. Sweet little Chevy pickup back there. Some knockoff wheels. Up to this original little Ford. And then you got this guy. That's pretty cool. 1930. Excuse me. Good looking little Ford. Little four-door. Got the family thing going on. Look at that. Got a little American Motors going on in the backdrop. Another Super Sport. I like the 70 Chevelles. I don't fit in them too good. Tammy's been working on this for quite a while. They're doing a great job. I remember this in the back alleyway. I asked to try to buy it years ago and she says, no, that's my baby. Well, she's been doing good. Good job, Tammy. Another GMC.
Yep, yep. Down low,
You could be in there. We made her back to Rogers Motors. One of the best parts of the whole week is Rogers Motors. We're back again this year, 2024. They're putting on an amazing show again. And we are full of everything. Here's Dad and my beautiful woman. I think Kindig-It built that Nova. It's locally owned, I think. But I think they're the ones that built that car.
I didn't like the front row this big. I like the front.
Right, yeah.
This car was built by Kindig-It. Local folks own it. It's pretty nice. Signature door handles. Wow. She is gorgeous. Size of those meats are massive. It's a whole lot of motor to put in such a small space. I like the finned hubs. She's This car is really amazing. I know I'm a Chevy guy saying that about some Mopar, but they've integrated all the new car stuff in this car. Look at the dash. They've made this all brand new and incorporated it in such a way that it looks like it should be in here. But all of this is, it's all out of a new car. This is pretty amazing. Even the mirrors, I mean, electric windows,
Cruise control and everything.
cruise control, everything's on it, just like the new car. Steering wheel. It's done very amazingly. Four-wheel disc. Let's try this way. Who are these people?
Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
Your favorite people?
Yes. Up with Johnny's little deuce setup. Little 235. Got a little cam in it. Little 39 Chevrolet. Looks like it's ready to fly off. Okay, you gotta dig this. International Travelall. This is my neighbor actually, one of them. Got it all painted up. Look at the checks inside. You can't beat that. You can't make that up, man. That's just awesome. Looks like my dad's old shirt and I love it. This thing is awesome. Even the luggage rack. I guess it's GMC year. Now we're into the newer stuff. These guys live just up the street from me. Big, medium, And then low and slow. Maybe not slow, but no, just my own little channel.
You have a channel?
Yeah. God Guy Garage.
Yeah, they're wide. Yeah.
God Guy Garage. We got to get all the low guys here. All the ones that sit on the ground. All right. Somebody seeing if they can blow Grandma's car up.
Hey, you're not getting the towel with that like
You down to jump, but I got the water. Hey,
Hey. What's up?
I got it. Are you in the old Fords?
Old Fords. Time to find out who won. But I wanted to get this binder in here. If I remember right, he put this on a different chassis. Really clean little pickup. This guy's into big trucks too. Pretty dang clean. There went the Kindig-It car. See ya! Dang it. I should have caught that coming out from the front and I missed it. Hey brother!